Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some trigonometry and some functions like sine. You may or may not have heard them before. So here are some basic values. So the sine of 90, this is in degrees, is equal to 1. The sine of 270 is equal to -1. So first, I'm just going to clarify a little tiny bit about radians. So if we were to say pi radians, this is equal to 180 degrees. If we're to say 0.5 pi radians, this is equal to 90. And for full 360, we go for 2 pi radians. So, if we were to write this sine of 270 equals -1 in radians, we would say that the sine of 1.5 pi radians. You wouldn't have the r there, but we'd say that it equals -1. So trigonometry is the study of right triangles, right? So the sine of this angle right here is equal to its opposite side over the hypotenuse, which is this longest side of the triangle. So to find this, we need the Pythagorean theorem, which you may or may not have heard before. It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a is this side. So let me just declare this side as 3 units. B is this. So let me just say that that's 4 units. And c, so we need to find the square root of this squared plus that squared. So 4 squared equals 16. So we get 16 plus 3 squared is 9 equals 25. And what is the square root of 25? Well, it's 5, right? So to find the sine, we need the opposite, which is 4, over the hypotenuse. What's 4 over 5? Well, it equals 0.8. Okay. So, now let's say we wanted to convert this ratio of the opposite side and the hypotenuse back into the angle. We'd use a fancy function called arcsine or inverse sine, sometimes written as sine to the power of -1 of 0.8, but more commonly written as just arcsine or a sine. So the a sine of 0.8 equals the angle. And a little tip for remembering that sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and that tangent equals opposite over adjacent is sohcahtoa, which is SOHCAHTOA, and this basically means the sine equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, the cosine equals the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and that the tangent equals the opposite over the adjacent. Right? So opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, toa, opposite over adjacent. So that is Trigonometry Series Video 1. Thank you for watching.
You aren't gonna say bye?
Bye.